We find ourselves today in Southwest Florida, Fort Myers, actually North Fort Myers. So today, the family does the Shell Factory. And we also decided to do the nature park.
I don't think so. Please do not let children sit or stand. You are beautiful.
What kind of tortoise is this?
I don't know.
A red, it's a red-footed tortoise.
He has like red dots on his head. Oh, there's two of them. There's another one. They were both in there. Look
oh, they were both in the little house.
Where's he at? Oh, there he comes.
Going out.
Here he comes.
They're interested. Are we supposed to feed them the hay?
I'm not sure.
I don't think they're part of the petting zoo. She said for the petting zoo.
Oh, okay. Well, they look like they were wanting something. Look at these turtles and these fish over here. What are those fish, Chad? They almost look like an Oscar.
Those are Oscars.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Aren't they pretty?
Wait.
Look how bright orange they are.
Yeah,
What kind of turtles are
I'm not
they?
sure what kind of turtles they are. They might be a slider of some kind. There comes another Oscar.
Holland says she sees dancing ducks.
I see them doing their head thing over there.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that one. That one's black.
This is literally a zoo. Do we have anything to feed the fish? Which one's saying what?
That one says what?
What?
Hello.
What did you say? What?
Hello.
What? Hello? What?
What?
Hello?
Hi.
What?
Yes? Hello?
What'd you say?
What?
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 Hello?
What?
What?
Hello?
What?
What?
He goes, what? What? Leave her, Sam, leave her.
What is it eating? What's it eating? It's eating something.
Rambutan? It kind of looks like rambutan or bread. I can't tell.
Oh, the other one's gonna take it from it.
I love you.
Ring-tailed
Ring-tailed
lemur.
The only kind of lemur I know about.
Oh look, there's a black racer on the fence back here.
Where? Oh, I see it.
I was like, what is that?
Where's he going?
He got himself in a predicament there, don't he?
Yeah,
Yeah.
where does he think he's going?
I think he's still
I don't think he thought that through. Is he trying to go
Do we need
over?
to get
Probably
help?
chasing a lizard and then
The lizard got away.
He's-
I hear a turkey.
I heard
I
a
do
turkey
too.
too. He's paralyzed with fear now because we spied him.
Hello.
Walk in there close, George, and see if he'll move.
No.
He's not gonna
Hey,
get you.
Look at all the butterflies.
Your mom will do it. Your mom's not, your mom ain't scared.
No.
He's not gonna get you.
Look at all the butterflies.
Your mom will do it. Your mom ain't scared.
Yeah,
Oh, there's a big lizard over here. Maybe he was running from the lizard.
there's a big lizard. Where? Oh, look at it. Where's the big lizard?
It like went this way.
What is that? It's like a peacock.
There he goes. Oh, he sees something.
Oh, he jumped out. He wasn't stuck. He was just nervous.
The big lizard went that way.
What was it? One of the.
Georgia, there he is.
You scared me when you screamed. I think it was another iguana, but it was a little bigger.
That's a big bunny.
Oh, look at that butterfly, Chad. It was dark with blue right here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Is that an agreus butterfly? No, that's not an agreus
This little butterfly garden's nice right here. I like this. I don't remember.
I'm pretty sure that
Honestly,
one's a
don't
peacock
remember.
butterfly, that's
Oh,
why.
right here. They're called a zebra longwing. Here's the sign.
I think that black one, is that a peacock butterfly that's zooming around?
I don't know. It was pretty. It looked like the one on Animal Crossing, didn't
Yeah.
it?
Why do they not have these
It's like
in
our
Animal Crossing?
passion vine in our backyard. Just half a dozen butterflies flittering around.
I saw a
So
big
pretty.
bunny in here.
Oh my god, it's a dinosaur. It's a bunch of dinosaurs. What could this possibly mean? Oh wait, it's the day of the dinosaurs walk into your prehistoric past. That's the Utah raptor. Holland, go stand next to it so we can see how big it is compared to you.
I'm tiny.
You'd be just like a little snack for it. He'd use you to pick his teeth like a toothpick.
Oh my.
here
Oh,
comes
it's
the bus.
slapping me with its feathers.
It's doing the dance. It's dancing.
Oh.
It's dancing, Dad. Look, there's a chicken behind you. I think it likes you, Mom.
Yeah. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? This one has pink, Dad.
Hi. The Shell Factory even has a small military museum back in the far corner.